A child abduction alert has been issued in the areas of Milwaukee for the following child: Aiden D. Hall, age 2, male, black, 3 foot, 38 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Child was last seen in the vicinity of 3100 North 26th Street and is missing from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. He was last seen wearing a white shirt with lettering on the front, blue jean shorts, and orange and white Jordan shoes. Law enforcement authorities believe the child may be in the company of Renato M. Hall, age 20, male, black, 6 foot, 180 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. They may be traveling in a silver Acura TL or a black Cadillac unknown model with California license plate 6XZY488. The plate appears on either vehicle. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Aiden D. Hall, please contact Milwaukee Police Department at 414-935-7360.